serious out here. It's serious out here. Everybody's going through what they're going through. Millionaires going through it. Billionaires going through it. Poverty-stricken people going through it. We all going through it. Why? Because we all been taught outside of nature. So now everything you see is outside of nature. So, you know, this mental freedom thing is a walk that I have to take. I have to take it. I have to reach that next level. It's about levels out here. I got to take my mind to that next level, to the next playing field.